the car, pulled out the spark plugs. They're not the best shape. Let me see if I can focus this better. Put it down and focus this. Not the best shape. I think I will need to change them pretty soon here. So both of them have a lot of carbon buildup. Probably pre-mixing way too much. But we're gonna do a compression test with the rotary compression tester, and let's go. We're gonna go and test the front rotor. We actually already tested, these are the results, but we're gonna do this again. So this is the first test. My battery that I have is really small. We'll show you in the cutscene later, but it's really small, and I want to see how much RPM I can get with this. So we're gonna test this and see. The car's already warmed up. So let's go.
RPM. Huh? 147 RPM. Still really low.
Yeah, still really low. So these results actually aren't accurate. When I was reading online, these results are not accurate. So I'm gonna go get my battery and we're gonna test it with the boost. All right, let's end that. Okay, so going back to what I was saying. So this is the size of my battery right there. It's the S6 Power, I think it's the either D or S680. And it's like less than 5 pounds. It's super light as well. It just doesn't have the actual, it probably just doesn't have enough power. So right now I got a bigger battery. This was fully charged. So we're gonna do that test again. Now, see if I get higher cranking speeds. If not, well, maybe it's my starter. All right, so everything's set up. Let's try it.
Oh.
No, fuck, I think it is my starter. I think it's my starter. Right? Now this is a big battery. All right, so now we're gonna do Jacky's car. We're gonna use the rotary compression tester. And we just tested my car. There are some issues. Not sure what I'm gonna have to do, but we'll have to figure that out.
I got a light for you.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I can see it. Oh shoot.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Frank, and look at this.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just have to focus.
Oh, it's okay. It'll focus.
Okay. Back in. Put this on.
Yeah, pull it back. Yeah. Fuck, look at that. 275.
RPM?
Yeah. Okay, maybe I take your battery out
Yeah, you want to try?
and try. Well, we'll do your compression test completely first, and then take your battery out.
Yeah.
Put it in, and see if it jumps mine.
Okay.
All right, so we'll do we're gonna do it again on this one. So
Okay.
right now, film this.
Yeah.
Your average after correction is around 100, 95, 90 something. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, one sec.
Okay.
Okay. And pretty consistent, still around 100. See, I told you. I told you, your car's
Yeah.
pretty much around 100. All right. All right, so we're done shooting for today. That was pretty surprising. I really didn't think that the starter would be the issue for my car, but we'll have to see. I will order a starter today and install it when it comes here. So let's hear some RX-7 startup sounds.